Hey everybody, welcome back to the brand new video, and today's video we are going to discuss about the common issue that people are having with their Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 is their Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 is just keep disconnecting from their device while they're listening to music, podcast, or even when they're in the call. Well, this problem or such an annoying issue comes for very different reasons. First of all, this can come especially when your Samsung Buds 2 is having low charge. Second of all, when you are actually out of the range, or if you're using multiple devices at the same time with your connected device, then this problem can happen. Now, if you want to solve this problem, the very first troubleshooting process that you want to just go ahead and follow is just charge your device, your Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 to solve your problem. And second things that you have to keep in mind, of course, be sure that you are not too far away from your device, especially when you are listening to music or you are talking to somebody or you're listening to podcast. And third of all, let's say you have just done this two process well and you are still having the same problem. The next things you have to do, just go ahead and give it a reset. Well, you can do it in two different ways. First, you simply can reset your earbuds, and later you can just simply reset your case just to see if that works or not. Now let me just go ahead and quickly show you how it works. So first of all, I'll just go ahead and grab it from here. Go ahead and close your Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 or any buds you might have, and then simply go ahead and open it up. Now once you just open it up, use your two finger just like that and place them both on top of your Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Now after a while, you're gonna see your color is going to flashing. Now once you've seen that, then all you have to do, guys, simply go ahead and connect it with your device to check if that works or not. Now, if this process or troubleshooting method didn't work for you, then you simply can check out the next way. In the next way, all you have to do, guys, first, make sure that you're connected with your device through that wearable application. Now, after a while, all you have to do is just simply scroll down a little bit and you're going to see this option called earbud settings. Go ahead and tap on there, and then you're going to see this option called reset. Go ahead and tap on reset, and then you're going to see this pop up. Okay, now simply hit reset from here, and then you're going to see that your wearable application is going to get started from the scratch. Now once you're here, just tap start, and then it's going to look for your device, of course. Now you're going to see your buds right here. Tap on there to connect. Now it says you're all set. That means you're all good to go and your problem will be solved, and your earbud 2 or any earbud you might have whatsoever will not be disconnecting anymore from your devices. Alright guys, so this is what you can do if you're having disconnecting issues from your Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, Buds Pro, or Live, or any buds you might have right now. Alright guys, so this video is really useful for you. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.